Have you ever dreamed of being your own boss and setting your own hours? The internet has opened up a world of possibilities for starting your own business. What's amazing is that you can do this from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time career change, there are online business ideas for everyone. The best part? Many of these ideas can generate substantial income, giving you the freedom and flexibility you crave. This video will explore 7 exciting online business ideas that you can start today. We'll dive into each idea, providing real-world examples of people who have found success. Get ready to be inspired and discover the potential that awaits you in the online world. The role of a virtual assistant is becoming increasingly popular in today's digital age. With the rise of remote work and digital communication, more businesses are looking for flexible support options. But what exactly does a VA do? What tasks can they handle? And how do they fit into the modern business landscape? Essentially, you're providing support to businesses and individuals remotely. This means you can work from anywhere, offering your services through the internet. This could involve anything from managing emails and scheduling appointments to handling social media accounts and customer service. The range of tasks is vast and can be tailored to your strengths. The beauty of being a VA is that you can often utilize your existing skills and interests. Whether you're great at organizing or have a creative flair, there's a niche for you. Are you super organized and detail-oriented? These traits are highly valued in the VA world, perfect for managing calendars and travel arrangements. Your knack for planning can be a huge asset. Do you have a knack for social media? Many businesses need help with their online presence. Offer your expertise in creating engaging content and running ads. Your creativity can drive their success. The earning potential for VAs can be significant, with many earning over $1,000 per month, especially as they gain experience and build their client base. The more you grow, the more you can earn. Take the example of insert name of a successful virtual assistant who started with just a few hours a week and now runs a thriving VA business, supporting multiple clients and achieving financial independence. Their journey shows what's possible with dedication and the right skills. Have you ever thought about packaging your knowledge and skills into a product you can sell online? Imagine turning your expertise into something that can generate income while you sleep. That's the power of digital products. They offer a unique opportunity to monetize your skills and knowledge. These can be anything from ebooks and online courses to design templates, stock photos, and more. The possibilities are endless. The beauty of digital products is that once you've created them, you can sell them over and over again without having to restock inventory. This means you can focus on marketing and improving your products. This makes it a highly profitable business model with low overhead costs. You can start with minimal investment and scale up as your sales grow. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market make it easier than ever to reach a global audience. You can connect with customers from all over the world. Take Heather, for example. She's a talented graphic designer who started selling her design templates on Etsy as a side hustle. She leveraged her skills to create a steady stream of income. Fast forward to today, and her digital products are generating thousands of dollars in passive income each month. Her success story is a testament to the potential of digital products. What unique skills or knowledge can you turn into a profitable digital product? Start brainstorming today and take the first step towards creating your own digital empire. If you're passionate about a particular subject and enjoy teaching others, online tutoring or course creation could be your perfect online business. With the rise of online learning, there's a huge demand for knowledgeable and engaging educators in various fields. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare make it easy to create and sell your courses to a global audience. You can also offer one-on-one tutoring sessions through video conferencing platforms like Zoom or Skype. Take the incredible story of Rob Percival, a web developer who turned his coding knowledge into a multi-million-dollar business on Udemy. His online courses have attracted over 2.3 million students and generated over $224 million in revenue. What knowledge or skills can you share with the world? Blogging has evolved significantly over the years, and it's still a viable online business idea, especially if you're passionate about a particular topic. The key is to find a niche that you're genuinely interested in and that has the potential to attract a dedicated audience. Whether it's travel, food, personal finance, or anything in between, there's an audience out there for you. Once you've established your blog and consistently create high-quality content, you can monetize it through various methods, such as advertising, affiliate marketing, selling your own products or services, and more. Amit Agarwal, the mastermind behind the blog labnol.org, has achieved remarkable success in the blogging world, demonstrating the long-term potential of this business model. Instagram has become more than just a platform for sharing photos. It's a powerful tool for businesses to reach their target audience and drive sales. If you enjoy creating engaging content and building a community, Instagram marketing could be a lucrative online business venture for you. One popular approach is dropshipping, where you partner with suppliers to sell products directly to your followers without holding any inventory yourself. This means you don't have to worry about storage or shipping, allowing you to focus on marketing and customer service. Nivan, a young entrepreneur, leveraged the power of Instagram marketing and dropshipping to build a successful business, generating $100,000 in profit within just 60 days. With the right strategy and dedication, Instagram can become your online storefront. Freelancing offers incredible flexibility and control over your work schedule and income. If you have skills in areas like writing, graphic design, web development, virtual assistants, or any other in-demand field, freelancing could be your ticket to online success. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect businesses and individuals with skilled freelancers from around the globe. Building a strong portfolio showcasing your skills and experience is crucial for attracting clients and commanding higher rates. Take inspiration from Scott, a freelancer who earned over 1 crore rupees. That's over $130,000 through Upwork, proving that hard work, dedication, and a strong online presence can lead to significant financial rewards. As we've explored, the online world is brimming with opportunities to start and grow a successful business. The digital landscape offers a vast array of possibilities that cater to different interests and skill sets. Whether you're drawn to the flexibility of being a virtual assistant, managing tasks from the comfort of your home, the creative potential of selling digital products like ebooks, art, or software, the impact of sharing your knowledge through online courses, helping others learn and grow, or the entrepreneurial spirit of building a blog or Instagram business, creating content that resonates with your audience, there's a path for you. The key is to find what aligns with your passion and strengths. Remember, success requires effort, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. It's a continuous journey of growth and improvement. Start by identifying your skills, passions, and resources. Take the time to plan and strategize. Then, choose a business model that resonates with you and start building. Take small steps and stay consistent. The journey may have its challenges, and there will be obstacles to overcome, but the rewards of being your own boss, setting your own hours, and having the freedom to work from anywhere and achieving financial freedom are well worth the effort. The sense of accomplishment is unparalleled. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step today. Your online business adventure awaits. Embrace the journey and make it your own. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on online money-making opportunities.